So on the 26th of June I was seeing the Midland Pullman in the Ayrshire coastline as it was its first trip to Scotland. So my first catch of it would be at Prestwick Town, where we'd see it run under 5Z43, the early 0710 Turpat 0702 locomotive service to Ayr from Crewe HS with 43055 and 43046. And then my final catch of it would be at Irvin's Caledonian Paper, where we'd now see it run under 1Z43, the 0750 locomotive service to York from Ayr, with now 43046 leading and 43055 trailing.